Let's go.
One of the reasons why we're doing this, para magkaroon tayo ng camaraderie sa trabaho, and we talk about the improvements that we have, especially kalalaunch ng PXP, which is yung Prepress 2.0. So inaasahan ko lahat, or 3, so inaasahan ko lahat na suportahan ang paggamit ito. And looking forward for more activities for the whole day. Thank you.
So, welcome, Run the File 2026. Pwede nating i-evaluate yung mga pangyayari ngayon. Alam natin, yung mga ganitong ginagawa natin, these are non-value-added activities ng company. Kasi value-added activities ng company, nandiyan nag-proof na yun, di ba? Pero naiintindihan natin na mahalaga kasi ito. Katulad ng mga ginawa natin kanina, explain, running the file is difficult. Di ba? Maraming wasted efforts kapag hindi tayo nakafocus. Kapag wala tayong pakialam sa kapwa natin empleyado, di ba? That's why, yung purpose natin, we have to remain in our purpose of maintaining our efforts na i-address yung mga na i-encounter natin daily. We have to reflect kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin. If may mga failures tayo na nagagawa, hindi naman laging dulo na yon. We can correct them. We are not expected to be perfect. Kaya when we go back at work, sikapin natin na i-address natin yung mga na-encounter nating issues. And then pagbalik natin sa mga susunod nating mga activities, hindi na tayo katulad ng dati. Participating. Please continue participate sa mga activities natin sa company natin. And huwag tayong mag-hesitate to reach out sa ating mga leaders, sa ating mga team leads, and managers, mga trainers natin kapag na-encounter natin yung mga issues na yun. As mentioned kanina ni Sir Richie, hindi tumitigil yung improvement ng ating company. So, thank you so much again for being with us today. Yun lang, salamat.
Everybody knows it. Being on my beauty rest. Now I'm out here glowing. Loving what I got, and I ain't afraid to show it. Bet you like that, bet you like that. Bet you like that, bet you like that. Don't you? Bet you like that, bet you like that. Bet you like that, bet you like that.
Salamat po sa lahat ng umaten. Gusto kong magpasalamat din in behalf ng management ng Prepress sa mga nakaraang buwan natin na puro OT, di ba? Marami tayong OT. Ito na yung chance natin na mag-relax and enjoy po natin yung binigay na opportunity ng company. Kasi ito yung fruit ng ating hard work. Ito yun.